Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet C10. Killer little truck, guys. A buddy of mine out of Tennessee is the one who found me this truck. It's actually an original Florida truck. He bought it down in Georgia. Killer truck, man. It's a two-tone medium gold metallic and beige. Now from the factory, sorry, just a little dirt there. From the factory, it was gold and white. They've changed the center section and the top to beige, which I just love. It's got a great look to it. Truck sits good, runs and drives excellent. I got it in yesterday, and it really hits the road good. Drove it to lunch, drove it home to the house for a little bit. I had to run home for my son, but killer little truck. You can see it's got all brand new US mag wheels on it. It's got a 5.7 C-notched drop kit on it, and really nicely done. They put a 71 grill in it. This is a 70 C10, and they like the 71 grill, so that's what that's what they put in it. I believe most of the other trim is actually original to this truck. Like I say, they've added the grill. I gotta believe those are new bumpers. Pretty paint. And again, I love that two-tone. Again, I believe all this stuff's original. You can see that parchment. It's like a two-tone interior in there. Sorry, man, we just got a little dust out here. Our weather's just been gorgeous, and it's warm right now, but as you can see, the clouds are coming. We got storms are a-coming. Really nice truck, guys. Good size. Ah, my boys missed a little wax there. Little marks in the paint right there. Again, I think all this stuff is original. You can see a couple little marks in it as you walk around it. Sorry guys, there's just wax on this thing. My guys missed it. It's tough to see in that building with the lighter colors. This is actually original bed on this truck. Again, it's lowered down, 5.7 lowering kit with a C-notch frame. Love those US mag wheels. This truck's very nice underneath. I think this has always been a nice truck. Truck shows like 43,000. We kind of think that might be the original miles on that truck. Love that new US mag wheel. Brand new ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Of course, those are brand new wheels. Yeah, I like this truck a lot. I think the color just jumps off it. I think it's just got a great look to it. It's something you don't see much, and just got a killer look. Those are the factory mirrors. It's got the matching numbers, 350 cubic inch engine in it, stock 4-barrel. Stock exhaust manifolds, and it's got the stock intake manifold and the stock ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got air. The air blows cold. .350 trans. Again, truck hits the road really nice. I don't know if you can see them or not, but they've changed them. It's got some polyurethane bushings underneath the truck. Yeah, I pretty much drove this truck all over yesterday. It was fun, man. Pretty day. Great day to get stuff out and drive it. And man, does this truck draw the attention. I like the factory mirrors on it. Again, this stuff is all original. Door handles are original. There's the original door sticker in there. I've ordered all brand new. This is just some dust on here from the guys getting in and out of it. But I've ordered brand new floor mats on it, or for it. New carpet, new sill plates. It's got that parchment interior. Factory dash. 43,583. We kind of think it's original. Tashworks' fuel gauge is one of those that you'll see it comes up. I went and put gas in it, then it came up, then it went back down, then it came up, but all your other gauges are working. AM radio works, blower motor works. It's got Magnaflow dual exhaust on it, 12 bolt 323 rear end. Nice truck. Look how nice this thing is underneath. And it's never been a frame off. That's what I say. I believe this has just always been a nice truck. You open this up, it's got all your original paperwork, original protecto plates in there, original glove box sticker, owner's manual. I took a picture of that stuff in there. Again, radio works. Sorry about the guy's dusty feet on the floor there. Dirty kicks your air on, it blows nice and cold. Truck really drove good. See, if you'll drive down the road and all of a sudden it'll come up. Your gauges work, temperature gauge does work. Good oil, truck holds good oil pressure. It does, yep, it works. Yep. The blower motor works. Doors just click shut, guys. Yeah, that's just a good truck right there, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Boy, that is a good looking truck, man. Have a great day, guys.